In this video, we are going to be talking about the bulk edit feature and everything that you can do within bulk edit. To access this, you're going to choose the course you want to work in. I'm going to choose my Avid 10 course. And I am going to scroll down to my gradebook. And from here, I'm going to find the three dots in the top right. I'm going to click on those and choose bulk edit. When you're in bulk edit, you're going to see every assignment that you have created on your materials page in your course. When you're in bulk edit, you can check that assignments are published. So you will see over here that this little green circle means published, and anything that is checked with a blue check mark shows as published. You'll notice down at the bottom here that I do have some that are grayed out and not checked. These are unpublished assignments. These are unpublished because they are in my Grading Period 2 unpublished folder that I'm currently creating assignments in. I will publish this entire folder closer to Grading Period 2, and then these will change to a blue check mark. We do not suggest that you unpublish assignments assignments that have been graded or while you're grading assignments. This is because if you forget to republish the assignment, that will cause students to see a different grade than you see. If you want to create an assignment that you do not want to count in the gradebook, then you can go ahead and use the categories here, and I can change any of these assignments. I can go ahead and move this to any category I have. I can also move it to ungraded. In ungraded, students will still see the assignment. They'll still be able to complete it and submit work, but it will not show in your gradebook. If you need to move it back to a graded assignment, coming back to bulk edit would be the only place that you could do that. So I would need to come back here and change this back into a grading period column, and then that would allow me to see it in my gradebook. So we've talked about making sure you can come here to make sure that your assignments are published. You can come here to check that all of your categories are correct. You can move it to ungraded and then come back here to move it back to a graded category. Other things I can do would be to change multiple due dates at once. So you'll notice that all of my assignments here have a due date. Oh, but this one is due at 11:59 p.m. and I don't want it to be because this is actually due when my students come to class. And so I need to change this to 9:40 a.m. And I've made a mistake here as well because all of these are at 8 a.m., but they need to be at 9:40 a.m. also, because that is what time my students come into class, and that is when these are due. Once I've changed all of these due dates, I'm always going to make sure any changes I make, I click Save Changes immediately after. And in bulk edit, you'll notice I only have one page right now, but I do need to make sure that I click Save Changes on every page as I'm navigating through bulk edit. I'll get a notification that my changes have been saved. Other things I can do would be to change assignment titles. All of my assignments currently in here have dates, so I could go through and change any of these and click Save Changes if I needed to. I can also delete assignments in bulk edit. So if I wanted to say, I don't need this 321 agenda check anymore, I can delete that one. It will prompt me to delete. And then I could also, I don't need this 371 anymore. I can delete this one and delete. It's going to delete it from my course completely. The assignment won't show up in any of my nested folders anymore. So this is a great strategy as you're moving folders in from your T1 course into T2 to be able to delete a lot of assignments at once without needing to go into all of your nested folders. Again, after anything I do, I'm going to click Save Changes. I'm going to click Save Changes always, as many times as I can, just to make sure that all of the work that I've been done is saved before I navigate away from the page. I hope this video on bulk edit has been helpful.